In this video, we'll be practicing language skills through short stories, and whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, these stories will help you improve your vocabulary, your grammar, your comprehension, and of course, your knowledge of numbers. Hello and welcome to my teaching channel. My name is Teacher Linda G, and I've been teaching English online for close to 5 years. My students come from different parts of the world, like Turkey, La France, and Italy, and Spain, and China, and Korea, and Brazil, and so on. So let's start with a short story that will help you practice numbers from 1 to 20. I'll also explain some of the vocabulary. Sarah had 20 stickers. She decided to give one sticker to her friend, 2 stickers to her sister, and 3 stickers to her neighbor. She was left with 14 stickers. Sarah was happy that she could make her loved ones smile by sharing her stickers with them. So let's take a look at what a sticker is. I've added a picture of sticker on this video. Now, neighbors are people that live close to you. They could be your next door neighbor, so in the next house next to you, or maybe they live in front of you. So neighbors are people that live around where you live in your neighborhood. Neighborhood are the houses that are really close to where you live. And she shared her stickers with her sister and with her neighbor, and of course with her friend too. She shared. So she gave her stickers to her sister, and she gave her sticker to her friend, and of course to her neighbors as well. Well, this is Teacher Linda G. I hope you enjoyed our videos today. Stay tuned for more great videos, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.